Hello friends, welcome back to HMS Aviary. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today I thought of sharing my birds room setup with you all guys. Yeah, please come in. Yeah, here is my setup. I kept a plant here so that it will give good vibe to the room. And because of windows, there is good ventilation here. I am very particular about the cleanliness of the room, so I make sure that the room is always clean and tidy. I have two bird room setup. One is in the terrace of my building, another one is in the ground floor. In this video I am going to share my terrace setup. In the next video I will be sharing my ground floor setup. This is my show Budgie section, my all-time favorite bird. You can see how they are enjoying in their flight cages. This is my 12th generation bird, double factor. I prefer quality over quantity. And this is my cocktail section. I have only hybrids in cocktails. You can see this is breeding pair. V-pied male and clear-pied female. You can see clear-pied female feeding its chick. These are butterfly breeding pair and its chick. Semi-adults are enjoying in flight cage. Single spotted male and its baby. And this is the cocktail setup. Here comes Conure's setup. Crimson bellied Conure and its babies. Here is sun conure breeding pair. Sun conures are very much attractive due to its vibrant colors and its chicks. Blue-throated conure, they are my home-bred birds. They are into breeding now, and these chicks are my third generation of blue-throated conure. And this is one of the tamed blue-throated chick. Here you can see my sun chick conure. They are very cute and they are very active. Here is black cap conure and red factor pineapple conure. And here comes my all-time favorite African grey parrot setup. Here is my favorite pair, Jade and Jessie. They are tamed birds. Age is around 5 years old. They are very friendly. See, this is Jessie. You can see Jessie enjoying her meal. Here is my first African grey parrot breeding pair. Age is around 15 years old. And one of their chicks. These are all Conure setup. And here comes my Caique parrot. Caique, black-headed Caique. They are very colorful and playful birds. See, you can see how they are enjoying in the cage. I have given them big and very spacious cages. And here is a white-bellied Caique. White bellies are also very attractive and playful birds. Okay, he is my father. Actually, I must say he is very much supportive for me in maintaining birds. This is show Budgie baby's flight cage. You can see Lutino and Albinos are enjoying in the flight cage. All these are babies growing well. This is DF male enjoying in flight cage. And here comes my monk breeding setup. This is cinnamon and olive green breeding pair. You can see how nice unique nesting they have done and their babies. And blue monk breeding pair and their babies. Hope you all guys like my video. If you have any doubt or suggestion, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. See you in my next video.